how the Quran is a challenge. And now we can present it to the people of the world as a challenge. The Quran is the only book for 1,400 years ago. It's unchanged and unchallenged. Same. There are hundreds of millions of copies of the Quran in the world, and they're all same. No changes at all. And it's keep on coming. How many generations more, it will never change. So that's a great thing. The Quran is only the book which people can memorize it. This book contains 600 pages, the Quran, and a small child can memorize it. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. There's a book of God, which miracle that 6-year child can memorize it. And the Quran is a book which has all kind of knowledge is there about science, about physics, about zoology, about botany, about chemistry, about mathematics, about biology, about history, about geography. Every knowledge is in the Quran. The Quran is the perfect book, and it is the book which people are not getting bored. Even any kind of songs, what are the great singers, people forget them. But the Quran being recited with melody for thousands of years, more than 1,400 years ago, no people can bored. If we are listening and reading the Quran all our life, we don't get bored. So it's unlimited miracles of the Quran which we can mention it. There are news where about starting of creation, beginning of the life, about the clouds and about the rain and about all this phenomena in the universe. The Quran gives the perfect knowledge which was never known by the people before. Like, for example, only one knowledge. The Quran always says the sun is rotating. When I was in school, in the physics, my teacher told me the sun is stationary. It's not moving. But the Quran said the sun is always rotating. Then finally the science now believe that the sun is rotating and it is a speed certain speed which is rotating. So Quran never wrong. The science can always be wrong, but the Quran is perfect and it is always be standing on its truth and will never be changed its statement, and the statements of Quran will always be correct. This we don't understand. Like example, the Prophet ﷺ, he ascended to the heavens in the skies, and he used some ride which called in the hadith is Burak. And in the hadith mentioned about like horse look like it is just for people that time, because people they don't know about the space flight or something like this. But the name of that ride was Burak, and Burak means is come from Bark, and Bark means is current, electricity. So it's very, very big miracle that the Prophet mentioned the ride which he ride is Burak, and Burak means is electric, things which is with electric. So it's very powerful statement that what he mentioned in 1,400 years ago is proven now. If you need to go to the heaven in the sky, you need to use the energy. And energy, one of the energy is electric. So the Quran and what the Prophet said is never wrong. People don't understand and they try to make some comments in ignorance. May Allah guide us. Ameen.